at your station for Parishville. Repeating Tri-Town Rescue. Meter request, stand by at your station for Parishville. 2046. Dispatch, car 7. Dispatch on car 7. I'm out of service. Is this an MCI? That's affirmative. Hold on, CR16. Central 36 is on scene. Car 36 on scene, 2046. 36251. Ryan, closer from South Colton or come in off the Wildwood Road? We're just past the number 9 road, South Colton side. All units responding, Colton. Go to Colton repeaters, go to Colton repeaters. That's a dispatch, that's Colton 5-2. Dispatch on 5-2. As of right now, it's not MCI. Copy. I have one rescue from Parishville and out to the scene. One standby South Colton station. I'm also putting Parishville on standby. Correction, Potsdam on standby. 5-2 to Colton station. Central Dispatch, Tri-Town Station 2. We're standing by BLS crew of 3 at this time. Copy, 2047. Dispatch, Colton 232. 232, dispatch on. Dispatch, 232 is clear CPs en route to Windmill. Copy, 2048. Tri-Town Rescue 331. 772 on for 331. Central car 36. Car 36, dispatch on your walk up. Central, be advised this is a small personal aircraft. We found one victim only so far during the wreckage. All HAB units responding, come in non-emergency. Copy. All units responding to the center on Windmill Road. Respond non-emergency. Repeat non-emergency. 331, this is 772. Can you repeat your message? Would you move up to Parishville Station for me, please? That's affirmative. Right. Dispatch, Tri-Town 8532. We're going to be out of service to Parishville for standby. 532, 2049. This is 5-2. Dispatch on here to call. Colton Fire Station, this is 5-2. Rescue 3152. There's no one at Colton Station at the moment. We're on scene.